Yeah. It's gonna fix, but get it in case.
Okay.
I'm just gonna fix this for now.
This is a different kind of glue, is it? It's
It's very strong, yeah.
okay.
It's waterproof too, this one. It's very strong. I use it
Okay.
for radio too and everything.
Okay. What is it called, this glue?
I have it there by the.
Oh.
I think I have it there by your garage door.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Like Permatex or something maybe. Oh, JB Weld, okay. Okay, okay. It's waterproof also. Steel and hardener. So you have to mix the two, is it?
Yeah. I mean, probably like maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
Okay.
This is.
Oh, nice. Okay, but I'll order a new hose also. Cause is it broken at the hose itself or just at the junction?
That's the joint here.
At the joint, okay.
It's over time it's getting melted a little bit. You see even. See here it has a gasket. You
Okay.
see this one is broken from this O-ring. So
Okay.
it's a big chance of possibility there is no seal here, so it's gonna leak as well too.
Okay. So I'll
You
just
know?
get a new
New.
hose.
Yeah. Because the half of it is leaky too.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, this one is not pressurized, is it?
No, not too much. No.
Okay, okay. It's just like an overflow.
Yeah, yeah, both.
Okay, I get it.